In BricsCAD BIM, the drag tool is a smart modeling tool with many uses. Drag lets you move entities perpendicular to the face you selected. Let's highlight a face and launch the drag tool from the quad. Notice that a ruler appears to visually represent the distance over which you move the entity. You can either left-click or you can give a precise value. What makes drag different from any move command is that it is context sensitive. The elements that are connected will move along or decrease or increase in size depending on the situation. Click on drag. When you move the mouse, you can see that this element of the wall will get detached. This is because the connectivity option is disabled in the hotkey assistant. Press Ctrl key to enable the connectivity. Now you can see that the element of the wall will remain connected, and you can increase or decrease the length of the wall.